Hello my beautiful glam style family. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing absolutely amazing today. In today's video, I'm so happy to be sharing with you my living room decor with the most traditional color for summer, which is the color yellow. So if you want to see how to go from this to this, don't move, stay right there, and let's do this a glam style. So here's all the little things that we're going to be using. As you can see, it's not much, but it's just enough to make a very significant change. This yellow birds, I got them at the 99-cent store, as well as this light yellow pot. Inside the pot, I put this green leafy plant I got at Five Below. Over here, I have this yellow plant, and inside of that Ziploc bag, I have some flowers from the Dollar Tree. And this big butterfly, I got it last year in Marshall's. Over here, I have this white blanket. It has like little sparkles. I know it's summer and we're not gonna need blankets, but my sofas are really dark and the blanket helps me give them a touch of light. This vase is from Target's Dollar Spot. It came in a set of 2 and the flowers are from Michael's. As well as this gorgeous head vase, and the hydrangeas are also from Michael's. Right along this side, I have this yellow pineapple candle that I've had for years, so I cannot remember where I got this from. And then on this side, I have this garland that you guys have seen me use before. This is also from Michael's, and I really like it because it has that light touch of yellow. I also have this yellow pillow covers that I got from Amazon. The size is 18 by 18. They're velvet soft and the material is really good quality. I also bought those white and gold pillow covers, same material, really good, and this gold one. The gold one and the yellow ones I've had for a couple of years. And then over here, I have this white vase that used to be blue, but I spray painted it white, and this light yellow flowers I got from Ross. Before we begin, I would like to show you what my living room looks like right now. And as you can see, after Easter, I removed like all the Easter decorations and I still kept on going with the lilac color. Made some minor changes, added the lamps, removed the pink decorations, added some fresh flowers, but now we're ready to move on to a fresh and vibrant summer decor. And for this, we're going to be using the camera magic. So 1, 2, 3, and here it is, all clean and ready for the new decor. And as you can see, I changed the lilac panels for the white ones and added the garland. And I decided to keep the same arrangement that I had in my chimney, and I decided to add a pop of color with this yellow flowers I got from the Dollar Tree. I love this arrangement because it's super versatile, which means that all I have to do is add a pop of color, whatever color that I'm using, or a touch of whatever holiday I'm in, and I could use it all throughout the year. And then right here, I just added a squared mirror, and on top of it, I'm going to be placing my butterfly. Over here, the only change I'm going to be doing is changing the white roses to the bigger vase so that I could add a pop of yellow and it could be in harmony with the rest of my decor. The yellow roses I got from, of course, Michael's. On the first side table, I'm going to be adding the arrangement that I showed you in this gorgeous butterfly frame. We're in my coffee table. I'm going to be placing the arrangement that I showed you previously in here, but I will be adding this more vibrant yellow flowers just because the other flowers are very pale, and adding this more vibrant yellow will go more in harmony with my pillow covers. All right, my ladies, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to comment what color you're decorating for this summer. And as usual, have a wonderful day. Love you. God bless you. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.